Welcome to another episode of Long Island TV. I'm Kristen Jarnigan, and we're here with Lily, and this week we're exploring Farmingdale, New York, one of the many downtowns that really makes Long Island such a special place to live, work, and play. Here's a tip: when you're exploring one of Long Island's downtowns, the best way to do it is with a local. So we're starting today at RPM Raceway. I can't wait to see what the day holds. Follow me. Okay, we're at our first stop in Farmingdale, and it just so happens that our very own Vice President of Community Engagement at Discover Long Island lives here, Imran Ansari, with his beautiful wife Liz, and you're ready to show me for a day on Farmingdale.
Yeah. Welcome to Farmingdale.
Okay.
So we got a great day planned for us, starting here at RPM Raceway. Owner here, Karen's going to give us a walkthrough of what we're doing today.
Hey, Karen.
Welcome to RPM Raceway, Discover Long Island. We're so excited you're here. So we have a lot of exhilaration and excitement planned. First, you're going to go on our RPM Sim. That's a simulator that simulates formula racetracks all over the world. Then we're going to get you on our virtual reality experience for 4 players at a time. Lots of different experiences on that game. Next, we're going to head over to the track, and everybody's going to race. Sound good?
Yes.
We're excited. Let's do it.
Let's go. Well, then what we're going to do first is have you go over to the registration, sign up, and I'll meet you to get you into the track. All right,
Thank you.
All right, hey, Imran and Liz, don't forget, you have the Downtown Deals Travel Pass. You click on Farmingdale, and you can scroll through. We each get $5 off our first ride here at RPM Raceway. Okay, guys, that was a super fun start to the day. What should we do next?
We should go have a beer.
Yeah.
I think after all that, we should
Good
go have a
idea.
beer.
All right, let's go. Let's do it.
All right, so we're here at Lithology. You said your very favorite place.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And so you guys clearly know Manny, the owner.
Yes, we're coming here every weekend.
Awesome. So you can find not only Manny, but you can find Imran and Liz here. That is so good. Perfect. Thank you, Manny. Liz, why did you choose Farmingdale when you could pick any town on Long Island to live?
We just really love it here. It's got some really special spots. Like you said earlier, we're always here at Lithology. It's one of our favorite places. We live right around the corner. The Long Island Railroad is right by our apartment as well.
Yeah, it stops. The Long Island Railroad stops right on Main Street, basically.
Yeah.
You
You
can
come in from the city or from anywhere.
You can go out east.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. It's really great.
and it's kind of a college town, right?
Oh, yeah.
It is. Farmingdale State College
We
is
have
right
Farmingdale
there.
State College, which actually interesting. It's right on 110 in the 110 area, but it's directly adjacent to the Nassau County part. Farmingdale's interesting. It splits between Nassau and Suffolk.
Right.
And then the main street's in Nassau County. We have some great bars and restaurants on the street. So
Yeah.
that's a lot of the reason why we moved here. We wanted to be close proximity.
You know, one of the great things about the Downtown Deals Travel Pass that we have is that when you look at the participating downtowns, you can see a whole list of attractions, restaurants that you may not have known about. And so one of the things I noticed on the app is that there's the Halal Guys restaurant, and I've always wanted to try halal. It's famous in New York. So do you mind if we go there next? I know it's your favorite places, but do you mind?
Definitely.
All right, cool. I'm excited. All right, cheers guys, thank you.
Cheers.
Okay. All right, so this is awesome. I've never been, as you know, so what's your suggestion?
Chicken over rice.
Okay, I'm gonna get that. I was totally gonna get I'm gonna call it a burrito, but here it says sandwich. I know. Okay, so chicken over rice. Can I get one chicken over rice, please? Thank you. So this is delicious and perfect, I think, after our active morning and our beers, right? Like perfect after a beer, but we've got one more stop ahead of us.
Definitely need to cool down after this hot sauce.
Yeah, and something you said with a little surprise.
Yes, very much so.
Okay, keep them coming, I'm excited.
Let's do it.
All right,
All right, we're gonna finish up with some dessert at our favorite little ice cream spot.
All right.
Charlotte's.
sounds good, thank you. Ooh, decisions. I mean, cake batter, anything. Ooh, toasted marshmallow. Ooh, it's pretty too. All right, this is delicious. I see why it's your favorite place in town.
Yeah, that's definitely our favorite ice cream in town.
What just happened? You just came out of a bookshelf.
Yes, I did. You didn't see anything. Pretend you didn't see
Like what?
anything. In the basement of this building in the 1920s, there was a speakeasy. And we discovered it some years ago, restored it back to an operating bar, jazz bar with live music.
So this is not just an ice cream place.
No,
There's
this
a
is just the
speakeasy down.
front. The
Oh
ice
my
cream place is just the
gosh.
front.
Okay, wait. Let's
So-
go to the speakeasy then. All right.
If you notice on these walls, that's the original tin wall cover.
Oh, really?
Years ago, yes.
That is so cool. I'm obsessed with this. This is the coolest place. And I love that it's legit. It's real.
Yes, you are standing where people were hiding out from the police 100 years ago.
So it's not much different than our normal night out. I know.
If the police did show up, there is a door in the corner here behind the bar. And that door leads underneath the ice cream parlor, under the shoe repair guy next door to us, and then out his back door. So
crazy.
the idea was the cops come in this building, you leave out of a different building.
Okay, Imran and Liz, thank you so much for showing me your town, Farmingdale. It's been an awesome day.
Been great.
Especially, ending with your secret spot that is so cool that I thank you for sharing it with me.
Cheers.
All right, cheers. And I'm gonna go ahead and let Lily go home because I'm gonna stay here. Who wants to leave this place? It's too cool. And we'll see you next week. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Discover Long Island NY, and hashtag Discover Long Island so we can follow your adventures. Keep scrolling on a birthday. Keep scrolling. Buy any platter or sandwich and get one free. Sweet mama. You can't hear us anything. You can't see
Yeah, like no sense of down here.
Literally, I was just telling Chris I was never eating again. All right, yum. I'm trying to be healthy with a little granola. How about that? Are these Reese's Pieces? That's amazing. Ooh, some sprinkles. You can't have ice cream without sprinkles, I think. I quit, and I'm moving to Houston, and I'm gonna open up my halal y'all barbecue. Open the door for the ladies. You go in, open the door for the ladies.
Of course.
That's what happens when you drink beer, though. Like the brilliant, I think there's something in the hops, and the brilliant ideas start popping up. So